Hey girl, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Monet. If not, hey boo. Watch me do jumbo knotless braids on myself for the first time. What possessed me to start braiding my hair after 6 p.m? I don't know, I'm gonna just go with it. I really had to trust the process throughout this entire video. Girl, if only you knew how many times I had to start over. I'm starting off by making a part in the back of my head. Even though the part is in the back of my head, I still want to make sure that I get it as straight as possible. Yes, I'm doing these braids by myself, so I know everything won't be perfect, but I'm a perfectionist and I'm not about to be walking around looking crazy. So I'm fixing my part as much as I need to. This is my first attempt. I didn't really know what direction I was going in, to be honest. I knew I wanted large knotless braids, but I didn't know how large. I'm using Expressions pre-stretched braiding hair in a 3-pack. I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair. I'm using my go-to Curl Milk and Detangler by African Pride. So I'm starting off good in my opinion. I'm moisturizing my hair. I'm sectioning off the part of my hair that I'm working on. I'm braiding with my own hair first, then gradually adding hair in. So I'm thinking everything is all good. It's not until I turn around and I can actually see what I'm doing that I'm like, no, absolutely not. I like the thickness of the braid, but the part to braid ratio was not it. So I'm taking these braids down and making the parts bigger. Again, I'm doing my best to make sure my parts are crisp. They look good enough for me, so I'm gonna keep it moving. I've clearly been by myself for too long because my kids came to check on me and see what I'm doing. Y'all, when I say I was so irritated when I see my hair, like legit devastated. This right here is a mess, so I'm starting over. Again, I ain't gonna lie though, if it's not right this time, it is what it is. It's late, I'm tired, my arms hurt. I'm really over it at this point. God must have heard my cries of desperation because these braids look good, okay? I guess third time's the charm. I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of my hair. I started at 6 p.m, so let's see how long it takes me to finish this hairstyle. next day and I'm getting ready for work. I'm using the Eben 24-hour edge tamer to style my edges. It took a little minute for me to get them to my liking, but I got it together. This is the finished product. I gotta check those parts one more time. If you made it to the end of this video, you're a real one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.